I've been drinking water for some time.
Hey friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel and I hope you're all doing well. I decided to treat myself today and as you can see, I'm already at the nail salon. I started with a pedicure on my legs, then I did French toes, then I went with these brown shades on my hands. If you enjoy spending the day with me, grab your favorite drink, get comfortable and let's spend the day together. Once I got back home, it was time to get back to work. I had a cake order that needed to be ready for the next day, so I went straight into the kitchen and started baking. I always enjoy these moments because baking is something I genuinely love and it's more rewarding knowing I'm creating something special for someone. Later that evening, it was time to make dinner. My kids have been asking me to cook pasta all week, so I finally gave in and made it for them. Since my hubby is not a fan of pasta or spaghetti, I also cooked rice on the side. That's usually what I do whenever pasta is on the menu, so everyone gets to enjoy a meal they love.
I swore I'd block your number for good, but here you are texting me you up. I know exactly where this is, on your side of the bed at 3 a.m. I tell myself don't fall this time, but you say my name and I lose my mind. But I always let you back in every time I say I'm done, I'm lying. You walk in the room and I stop trying. You're a bad idea again, but here I am at your door at 10. Guess I never learned my lesson. You're a bad idea again. Hey. you're a bad idea again. Maybe one day I'll actually quit, but tonight I'm not over it. You say come closer and I give in. Yeah, here we go again. You're a bad idea again. But I
One thing about me is I love cleaning up as I cook. I like washing the dishes along the way so that by the time dinner is ready, I'm not left with a mountain of dishes waiting for me. It makes cleaning up afterwards so much easier.
never learned my lesson. You're a bad idea again.
Learning how to stand when the ground gives out. Getting used to quiet when the noise dies down. I can see the damage when I look around, but I'm still here breathing, so I'm here for now. If I could step outside my head.
I gave the pasta a quick rinse to remove excess starch and to stop the cooking process. Then off camera, I melted some butter, added a little salt to taste, tossed everything together, and just like that, the pasta was ready to serve.
You build stars breaking down. Find a place you can return to. Find a truth you can hold on to when the lights go out and you're lost somehow. It's love, 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 love. When everything's falling in and out. It's love, 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 love. That pulls you back somehow. I gave all my time to the wrong mistakes. Tried to outrun fear, but it always stayed. Every open road still feels the same, but I'm learning now it's okay to change. If I could rewind the nights, I'd tell myself I'll be alright. Find something you believe in. Find someone who will leave when everything you build starts breaking down. Find a place you can return to. Find a truth you can hold on to when the lights go out and you're lost somehow. It's love, 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 love. When everything
We all gathered around the dining table ready to enjoy our dinner, and it was such a lovely meal. After eating, I always like to wipe down the table and vacuum the carpet, especially around where the kids sit, because that's where most of the crumbs end up. Once I'm done, I head back to the kitchen, wash the dishes we've used, give everything a final wipe down, and leave the kitchen spotless.
when the feeling's gone.
I don't wanna just get by in life before we die. I wanna live a single time, no chances to revive. Days are slip away sometimes when pressure holds too tight. Only I can make up my mind and override the fight. I've been patient, waiting for an answer, contemplating. Didn't get me any closer to the reason why I
Later that night, once the cake had completely cooled, I crumb coated it. This helps seal all the loose crumbs and gives me a smooth base for the final layer of frosting the next day. After that, I placed it in the fridge to chill overnight.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me. So alive, make it last forever. Stop in time, yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me move. Can make me move. You can make me move. Can make me.
Am I sane for walking out on us? Oh, or am I losing touch? Too many games, now all our chips are lost. Oh, luck was not enough. I opened my eyes. Tonight I feel like waking to a better
The following morning, I added the final layer of frosting and finished off the decorations. This was a Sonic themed cake, so I had lots of fun bringing the design to life. Once I was happy with how it turned out, I carefully boxed it and it was ready for pickup.
Now here we stand and hover on the edge. We're just a drop in time. I feel like I gave you every breath I had. Even forgave your crimes. I opened my eyes to what I feel like waking to.
And that's it for today's video. Hope you enjoyed spending the day with me. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.